Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and let me show you how to delete browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the internet right here. Let's choose settings. From the list of settings, tap settings again. Scroll down, choose privacy. Let's select here delete personal data, and here you can delete browsing history, cache files, cookies and sites, also the passwords, autofill data and location access data. In my case, let me clear all the personal data, tap delete, and that's it. Personal data has been deleted from the internet browser. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.